Homestead here. Today I am outside and I'm gonna do a little project for the chickens. I'm gonna make them some nesting boxes out of kitty litter tubs. I already cleaned it out really well. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to cut the lids right here where the little seam thing is, to where they have inside, and then have the little lip to help hold the eggs in. So let's get started. This is gonna be easy, y'all. Let's go. We're just gonna cut the seam. I got some heavy duty scissors and we're gonna cut the seam to where it will leave the little lip. I know y'all can't see that. There you go. Yeah, I could have used a straight razor. That's probably going to be better. Hang on, y'all.